Tired of endless online surveys that pay pennies? Let's unlock a simple way to make real money online just by clicking. Today, we're diving into Serpclix, a platform that pays you to click on search results, helping businesses improve their website rankings. First, head over to Serpclix.com, link in the description below. Click on register or sign up to create your free account. Fill in your email, password, and other required details. Make sure all of your information is accurate. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. This is where you'll find available clicks, which are the search results you can click on to earn money. When a click is available, click on it. Serpclix will direct you to a search query on Google or another search engine. Find the website specified, click on it, and stay on the page for the duration shown. This is important for the platform to recognize the click. The amount you earn per click varies, but it's a super simple way to generate income in your spare time. Keep checking the dashboard for new clicks and watch your earnings grow. Serpclix pays via PayPal, making it easy to withdraw your earnings. Remember to link your account. So ditch those low-paying surveys and start earning real money with Serpclix today. Don't forget to subscribe for more money-making methods and tips.